myself Pooja and today's date is 26 April 2022 and today's video topic difference between final, finally and finalize. The final, finally and finalize are keywords in Java that are used in exception handling. Each of these keywords has a different functionality. The basic difference between final, finally and finalize is that the final is an access modifier, finally is an block in exception handling, and finalize is the method of object class. Along with this, there are many differences between final, finally and finalize. A list of difference between final, finally and finalize are given. Key finalize and final. Definition: final is the keyword and access modifier which is used to apply restrictions on a class, method or variable. Finally is the block in Java exception handling to execute the important code whether the exception occurs or not. Finalize is the method in Java which is used to perform cleanup processing just before object is garbage collected. Applicable to final keyword is used with the classes, methods and variables. Finally block is always related to the try and catch block in exception handling. Finalize method is used with the object. Functionality: once declared final variable become constant and cannot be modified. Then final method cannot be overridden by subclass. Then final class cannot be inherited. Finally block runs the important code even if exception occurs or not. Then finally block cleans up all the resources used in try block. Finalize method performs the cleaning activities with the respect to the object before its destruction. Execution: final method is executed only when we call it. Finally block is executed as soon as try catch block is executed. Its execution is not dependent on the execution. Finalize method is executed just before the object is destroyed. Final, it is a keyword and it is used to apply restrictions on a classes, methods and variables. It can't be inherited. It can't be overridden. Then final methods can't be inherited by any class. It is needed to initialize the final variable when it is being declared. Its value once declared can't be changed or reinitialized finally. It is a block. It is used to place important code in its block. It gets executed irrespective of whether the exception is handled or not. Finalize, it is a method. It is used to perform cleanup processing right before the object is collected by garbage collector. The final keyword can't be used with class, method and variable. A final class cannot be initiated and a final method cannot be overridden and a final variable cannot be reassigned. The finally keyword is used to create a block of code that follows a try block. A finally block of code always executes whether or not an exception has occurred. Using a finally block allows you to run any cleanup type statements that you just wish to execute. Despite this, what happens within the protected class? The finalize method is used just before object is destroyed and can be called just prior to object creation. Then difference between that is finally and finalized. Final, finally, and finalized